Hello students, our today's poem is The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost is a well-known poem about the journey of life. It is more than a poem about someone trying to decide which road he is going to take on a stroll through the woods. Woods means jungle. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood symbolize a person's life where he has two options, that is choice, both of which look attractive. The narrator's choice about which road to take represents the different decisions we sometimes have to make and how those decisions will affect the future. The narrator chooses to take the less traveled road, though at times he expressed his desire to go back to the more traveled road. Means the two roads were there, one road which was not being used by the many of the people and another road was used much by the people. Now it is having a deep meaning we are going to see in the further explanation. The road choice less opted for by other definitely gets him more success in life. This shows that when we choose an option which is not chosen by many, we become more successful in life as it makes us unique or different from others. Robert Lee Frost, born in San Francisco, California on March 26, 1874, was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. A popular and oft-quoted poet, Frost was honored frequently during his lifetime, receiving 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry. Pulitzer Prize is the biggest prize, very well-known prize award which is given in the fields of arts, literature and music. Now about the poem. Lines 1 to 5 in a telling us in a forest where the leaves of trees had turned yellow, the poet finds two roads going in two different directions. The poet felt sorry that he had to choose over one of them as it was not possible to take both paths. He pondered over his option for a long time. He looks down a path as far as possible till it was bent with vegetation. Line 6 to 10. In this, the description, the meaning of these lines are, then he took the other path. The poet judged this road to be equally good as the other one, but he is doubtful and feels that it is perhaps preferable as it seemed like it hadn't been walked upon very much. It was still grassy and didn't look worn down. Yet the poet feels that the people passing along it had worn it equally as the other. That morning both paths were covered with leaves with no heavy human steps crushing them to black. The poet hopes that he could take the first road some other time, though he knows that one road leads to another farther away and that is highly doubtful if he could ever come back. The poet transports himself to the future when he will be stating with a reflective sigh that he was once in a forest where two roads diverged. He selected the road which was less frequented and it has made an important difference to his life. Now our life is also like that, students, that the people what they are doing, that is a common thing when we are doing. The common thing when we are doing, we are successful, of course it is our will and wish, but uncommon thing, maybe the struggle is more, we are unaware and we can become, by doing certain uncommon thing, we are doing something great, achievement is great. Maybe the failure could also be there, but we should not regret for that. Selecting the path of our own. Success, if you get success, to enjoy the success, and even if the failure is there, you should not regret. So that is a very beautiful poem described by Frost and it is related deeply with our life.